हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। ये डायरेक्टरी रूल्स जो है फ्रांस का, उसके बारे में देखेंगे। ये फॉलो जैकोबिन गवर्नमेंट अलाउ द वेल्थियर मिडिल क्लास टू सीज पावर। न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड विच डिनाइड द वोट टू नॉन property section of society. It provided for two elected legislative council. This then appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive has entered the Jacobins. However, the director often clashed with the legislative council, who then sought to dismiss them. The political instability of directory paved the way for the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. Through all this change in the form of government, the ideas of freedom, of equality before the law, and of fraternity remained inspiring idea that motivate political movement in France and the rest of Europe during the following century. देखिए इस तरीके से जो है उन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया। डिड वुमेन हैव रिवोल्यूशन? क्या वुमेन्स ने भी रिवोल्यूशन किया? फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग वुमेन्स वर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेट इन द इवेंट विच ब्रॉट अबाउट सो मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट चेंज इन फ्रेंच सोसाइटी. They hope that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government measure to improve their lives. Most women of the third estate had to work for a living. They work as the seamstress for laundries, sold flour, fruits and vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servant in the house of prosperous people. Most women did not have access to educate or job training. Only daughters of the nobles or wealthier members of the third estate could study at the convent, after which their families arranged a marriage for them. Working women had also to take care of their family, that is, cooking, fetch water, queen for bread, and look after the children. Their wages were lower than those of men. In order to discuss and voice their interest, women start their own political clubs and newspaper. About 60 women's clubs came up in different French cities. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was most famous of them. One of their main demands was that women enjoy the same political right as men. Women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791 reduced them to passive citizens. They demand the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly, and to hold political office. Only then they felt would their interest to be represented in the new government. In the early years, the revolutionary government did introduce laws that helped improve the lives of women. Together with the creation of state schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Their father could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Marriage was made into a contract, entered into freely, and registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal and would be applied for by both men and women. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists, or run a small business. Women struggle. अब वोटन स्ट्रगल फॉर इक्वल पॉलिटिकल राइट्स के लिए स्ट्रगल किया. हाउएवर कंटिन्यू ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ टेरर. द न्यू गवर्नमेंट इश्यूड लॉज ऑर्डरिंग क्लोजर्स ऑफ वुमेन क्लब्स एंड बैनिंग देयर पॉलिटिकल activities. Many prominent women were arrested and the numbers of them executed. Women movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. The fight for the vote was carried out through an international suffrage movement during the late 19th and early 20th century. The example of political activity जो है French women during the revolutionary year was kept alive as an inspiring memory. It was finally in 1940s that women in France won the right to vote. अब उनको 1946 में क्या मिल गया था? वोटिंग की राइट्स मिल गई थी. अब देखिए Olympe de Gouges was one of the most important of political active women in revolutionary France. She protested against the constitution and declaration of right of men and citizens as they excluded women from basic rights that each human being was entitled to. So in 1790, she wrote a declaration of rights of women and citizens, which she addressed to the Queen and to the member of the National Assembly, demand that they act upon it. In 1793, Olympe de Gouges criticized the Jacobin government for forcefully closing down women's clubs. She was tried by the National Convention, which charged her with treason. So soon after this, she was executed. इस तरीके से उन्होंने क्या है अपनी एक्टिविटीज़ करी. औरतों ने अपने स्ट्रगल किया किसके लिए? अपनी राइट्स के लिए. और उनको पॉलिटिकल राइट्स फिर मिली. ठीक है। पहले उनको पॉलिटिकल राइट्स नहीं दे रही थी, इतनी इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दे रही थी, वोटिंग के राइट्स भी नहीं थी औरतों को, ठीक है। अब देखें किस तरीके से एबोलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी जो है कि हम जो है उसको एबोलिश किया। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिवोल्यूशनरी सोशल रिफॉर्म जैकब रिबन वाज द एबोलिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी इन द फ्रेंच कॉलोनी। फ्रेंच कॉलोनी में एबोलिशन करना स्लेवरी का ये सबसे मेन उद्देश्य था। कॉलोनीज इन द कैरिबियन, Martinique, Gondan, and St. Thomas were the important supplier of commodities such as cocoa, indigo, sugar, and coffee. But the reluctance of Europeans to go and work in distant and unfamiliar land meant a shortage of labor on the plantation. So this was met by a triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa, and American. Slave trade began in the 17th century. French merchants sailed from the port of Bourbon on 19th to the African coast, where they bought slaves from local chieftains, branded and selected. The slaves were packed tightly into ships for the 3-month-long voyage across the Atlantic to the Caribbean. They were sold to the plantation owner. The explosion of the slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demand.